Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is, who knows it? You? Andy. Yes, that's it. And today I will give you an update regarding Wealth Mountain, okay? If you look on my channel, you will find a video. I guess I made it about like 4 weeks ago. And now I've tested everything, guys, okay? Like I compounded, I withdrew money, and I did everything that you can do. And the question right now is it still a good investment, guys? Is it or not? Because we are here to make money, okay? So let me show you guys. First of all, I will just give you a really brief introduction, what it's all about. I mean, you can stake your BUSD there, and in the beginning you will get 1%, okay? Daily guys, really daily, okay? So, interesting fact about this here, the longer you stake, the higher your daily rewards, okay? As you can see here, just check it out. Day 1 to 10, 1% daily fees, 10%, and so on, okay? Then it goes up to, starting day 50, you will get 5% daily, guys, okay? So, but the question right now is it still a good investment? And I will also show you my investment, my actual investment right now. But as of right now, you can see the daily users are going up, okay? They're really going up. Here, the contract TVL, we went up to almost like, it was like 2.6 million. Then we had a drop because some big players took some profits out. And now we are going up again, guys. We are going up again. That means it looks good, okay? It looks really good. Here we have the total invest daily. What can you see here, guys? What can you see? Tell me. It's going up. It's going up, okay? So I would say, I mean, as always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, but it looks pretty good right now. It looks pretty good. As you can see, everything going up, 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 okay? So this looks pretty solid, I would say. And right now, I will show you my investment. So first of all, you have to connect your wallet. Then it says connected if you want to do the same. I mean, then here you can how much you want to stake. For example, minimum investment are 10 BUSD. Let's say you type in 100 here, then you go to approve. Then your MetaMask will approve it. Then it will say, okay, approve the amount, and then you go stake. You click on stake, and what happens then, guys? Then we go here, and as you can see here, as of right now, I have staked $1,901. And it's pretty new because I mean, once you compound and once you collect, your daily rewards will go back to 1%. Even if you already had like 3 or whatever, it will go back to 1, okay? So, as of right now, I've tested everything, guys, okay? I unstaked, yeah? I compounded, I collected, I did everything to check it, and it really works. You know, guys, every day there are so many new projects coming out, and I could make like 5 videos, I guess, every day, but I don't want to show you some, sorry the word, bullshit projects and that are not good in my opinion. So I'll do some research, I test stuff, and then if it's good, I will show you guys, okay? So as of right now, you will see, you can see that's my staked amount, and 1% daily means every day I will get about $19, okay? In the first 20 days. Yeah, and after for example, starting 21st day, I will get 2%. That means in about 20 days, you will double your daily rewards. So for example, as of right now, daily $19. In about 3 weeks, I will get daily $38, okay? Just do the math. Let's say right now, 19 daily in a month is about $600, yeah? There are people doing a job they hate or whatever, a couple of hours every week or every day, and I just invested this amount and I will get about $600 monthly. I mean, if it would stay at 1%, yeah. But if we go up to 2%, my daily rewards will be almost $40. That means times 30, $1,200 just by doing this, okay? Imagine you invest in, I don't know, multiple projects like this, like 2, 3, 4, 5, then you can easily make like a really nice income. Let's say $4,000 or $5,000 just by investing, holding, and waiting, okay? So yeah, that's what it looks like right now, guys. As you can see, I'm personally also invested. And as always, guys, no financial advice, but I guess you can give it a try. I mean, the contract value goes up and it looks really sustainable, but no financial advice, okay? Always do your own research before you invest your own money, guys. So yes, that's it. If you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.